Hi there, I'm Susie Lee from Compass. Welcome to my newly remodeled, stunning listing located in the safe and iconic neighborhood of Belmont. Please, come inside and take a look. Starting from the picturesque cottage-like white picket fence, this gorgeous 2-unit duplex has been renovated and is now move-in ready with sleek and modern finishes. The first unit features a 2-story, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and the second unit features a single-story with 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Both units have freshly painted interior and exterior facades with hardwood floors, gorgeous countertops, customized cabinets, and double-paned windows. Each unit is soaked with an abundance of natural light, featuring a grand open concept with recessed lighting, quaint living room with stainless steel appliances. This duplex is equipped with a 2-car garage, which sits on top of an expansive lot size of approximately 5,240 square feet. This 1940s charmer is backdropped by a large, independent backyard for each unit, both including outdoor patio space. Located in a highly sought-after neighborhood, this charming multi-unit is minutes away to the Belmont Station, excellent schools, Carlmont Village Shopping Center, and San Carlos Airport. If you're looking for the perfect family-friendly home that has it all, come and schedule a showing with me to see this rare gem in person.